Right, so we're just going to go into where the washing machines are. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. I was filming another day. Thinking of
leave them in the car, so then you can...
another day. So I can see that no people sense why you guys have said checking if maybe some people maybe would. Maybe just would. Just go away, make sure it's all clear. Yeah, good to go. So yeah, and there's 2 cars. That's a Volkswagen, that one. What do you make of they? Are they in German? That's right. We're getting in. This is where we normally come in. Yeah, we're in now. Oops. So yeah, and we're going to go around looking at stuff. Cameras. I just got reminded, like.
Sensor.
Why isn't it on? It's not plugged in, it's not going to start. That's the back plate.
No, it's not on, is it?
It used to be.
Yeah.
Never mind. We'll look at some more.
LG.
I'm going past the LGs. That's something.
Still the same video, I will stop it and then start anyway.
No. Where's LG? There. Don't like it. I don't like the LG. They're not my favourites to make. Really.
Samsung. This one's a Hotpoint on the end there.
Point. Oh, I like this one. This one's good. There's no gap, which is good. Because what do you see inside here, bro? Oh, that's very good. I wanna see if I can check out the temps. I don't like this one really. I just got rid of mine, didn't I? Oh! I used to want to have one of these. Remember it. On. Oh, bit dry. It's on. Some of them aren't plugged in and some of them are.
It's very light.
Look, it goes over 1200, it does 1400.
Yeah, it's faster than mine.
Alright, that one does 1400. Sorry. 1400 units. I don't like this one really. Oh! Oh, I want one of these. This is the one I want. Dad, get this one at your new house. This is the one I want at school, but I wish I had it at school. That's the one I wanted at school. Yeah, that's the one I wanted.
Yeah.
I don't think I will, but never mind. Oh my god, I really love this one. I'm gonna... Is it on though? Not on. Never mind.
that box that comes out. And
Oh
those
my
box
god.
six go up.
Bush is okay. Bush, come on, Bush. What have you got? Okay. I want to see the spin, bro. That one's squeaky, bro. I don't like that one. Oh, I like this one. Plumbed in. Not plumbed in, no, but I still love it. Oh, that one's good. It's got no... Alright, I don't like it. Now it's got a jet. So there we go. I don't like this one, really. Still 1400. Ah, what's happened? I don't like it. Just got rid of mine, haven't I? Oh, what's the rep on it? Spin. Doesn't spin. 800. Star. What? So. Right, bro. I'm gonna see the Hoover bro wants to see it. It's a good one. Oh, I love this one so bad, but not as good as that Hotpoint. I'm gonna go back to that one. That's the one. That's my favourite. Not really. Oh my god! Another Indesit? Are you serious? This is the one I have at school. This is the one I have at school.
Is that? What do they use it for?
Just cleaning towels. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to the spin, bro. Do it again, Dad. I want to see some of the spin. But yeah. Most of these Indesits are... Don't like this one, really. Don't like it, really. Just got rid of mine, didn't I? They're not mainly plumbed in, for some reason. What make is this? Oh my god, bros. What I mean. Oh, Samsung, what have you got again? Oh, Samsung, I love you. You're my bestest son, mate. Watch this. Watch this. It has an opening cabinet. Watch this. Okay. Watch this. Just spin it. Look inside there. Another Samsung. Not on. Not on. I'm gonna go back to this Samsung because it gets really good laggy. It doesn't turn on. Some stupid reason. LG, bro. Don't like it. Not the best, this one, but yeah. Oh my god, bro, I just found out something. It's on 10 seconds. They did the 10 seconds. Oh my god, I like this one. Come here, Dad. You'll find. Oh my god, look at all of these. These are just so cool. I didn't realise anything happened.
So there's actually
No way. This is my favourite. Hotpoint. I love them so much they can break my heart, bro.
Why didn't you see the photo of it?
Oh my god, bro. Let's go. Oh. Yes, bro. That's the favourite one. Yes, yes. Bro, Alright guys, if you enjoyed, bye.